Hey guys, this is how to fix cracked Xbox 360 games. I already did it, but as you can see here, see how it's cracked right there. If you can see, yeah, it's like cracked right there. All you do is you put peanut butter. It's kind of crazy, but you put peanut butter on it, and then like put it in there for like 10 minutes, let it seal up, and then there you go. And put it on both sides too, because it's going to be cracked on the other side too. But as you can see, let me put it up here. Here, just be careful. On. It like seals it up though, but it's reading. If it says open tray, then you have to open it up and then put it back in. See, like just wait. See, it says play game, and it works perfectly too. Just put peanut butter on a crack, and I know it's crazy, but put peanut butter on a crack. Yeah, peanut butter, creamy peanut butter, because chunky would not work. Just put creamy. I know it's crazy, but as you can hear, if you can hear, I don't know, someone, and it works perfectly fine. There. Might go. It takes a while for it to load, but it works after a while. You can see how it works. And go to Xbox Live, connect to that online service. I would show you, but I already did it. I won't feel like doing it. See, it works perfectly fine. Let me set up a match. It like freezes a little bit, but don't freeze actually completely. So you just go team deathmatch. It works perfectly fine. And like for Black Ops 2, like you'll go online, it will run perfectly, but if you go online, it will like freeze when you're loading the game online. It will freeze, but watch. See? Going perfectly fine.
Team deathmatch. Deadly force is authorized.
Perfectly fine. So there you go. Use peanut butter. There you go.
We've taken control.